1. Irobot Roomba 960. Let's dive into the details. Number 1. Roomba 960. Wi-Fi robot vacuum for pet hair and floors. Tired of chasing pet hair and dust bunnies around your home? The Roomba 960 is here to do the work for you. With powerful suction and smart navigation, it glides effortlessly across floors, tackling messes where they happen and avoiding stairs or cords. It learns your home over time, so every clean is smarter than the last. Plus, it responds to your voice through Wi-Fi connectivity, making cleaning as simple as saying the word. Perfect for pet owners, it grabs embedded fur and debris with ease. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your space. Roomba 960 handles the rest, quietly and efficiently. So, that sums up my 1 Irobot Roomba 960. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.